Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Loginate. In this video, I will guide you on how to make group calls in WhatsApp. WhatsApp is an online application where you can make calls to your friends, send messages, post status and connect with your friends and family. So if you want to make calls on WhatsApp, this video is just for you. First of all, open your WhatsApp application. Here you can see my WhatsApp application is opened. Now at the bottom you can see four options: chats, updates, communities and calls. All you have to do is tap on the calls option that is at the bottom right corner. Now after you tap on the calls option, right above it you can see the call icon. All you have to do is tap on it. It is in green color. Now at the top of your mobile screen you can see the search bar. Here you have to search for name or number. After you search for the name, you can see the results for them. All you have to do is tap on the name. Continue adding the people that you want to add. Now, after adding the people that you want, look at the right. You can see two options. One is video icon and another one is call icon. All you have to do is tap on the call icon that is at the top right corner. Here you can see I just made a group call in WhatsApp. So that's how you make a group call in WhatsApp. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.